Welcome to the Crazy Hat Chemist, so another video on atomic structure, electron configurations. BAM! Today we're talking about number of electrons in shells and subshells. So I want you to look at this table here that we're going to fill out. Okay, on the left hand side there, shell, that's an N value. Then we have subshells. Then we have orbitals, that's 2L plus 1. Then we have the number of electrons in a subshell, and that's 2 times 2L plus 1. And then we have the maximum electrons possible for the nth shell, that's 2N squared. Okay, so let's do the first one here. So the shell of N equals 1 has a subshell of S. How many orbitals? 1. Number of electrons in that subshell? 2. The maximum number of electrons? 2, because there's only 1 orbital. Hopefully that works. Okay, next one, now we're talking here. So the next one is the N of 2 subshell. In that, N of 2 shell. In that N of 2 shell, then there are 2 subshells, and that's a S and a P-type orbitals. In the S orbitals, there's still 1 orbital. In the P-type orbitals, now we have 3. Remember, it's 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. Okay, and the maximum number of electrons in those is 2 and 6 respectively. And if you add up the 2 and the 6, then you get the 8. Okay, let's go for the next one. N of 3. N of 3, we have an S, P, and a D. So we're increasing by 1 more subshell each time that we're adding on to this. Again, S-type orbitals has 1 orbital. P-type are 3. D-type are 5. Okay, and if you multiply each of those by 2, then you should get the number of electrons in that subshell. And then we're going to add up the 2, the 6, and the 10, and we get 18. Okay, then the next one here, the last one that we're going to show on this slide here is right here of N of 4. Okay, N of 4 has S, P, D, and F. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7 number of orbitals, and double that for the number of electrons in that subshell. Okay, that's 2, 6, 10, and 14. You're going to add up the 2, 6, 10, and 14 and get 32. Okay, you should be able to continue this on. That is N of 5, and then S, P, D, F, G, etc. And then you're going to keep on going on this. Okay, so, but this little table, this little chart should kind of help you conceptualize where these electrons are, what types of orbitals, and you should see a pattern here with the shell and the subshells and how many electrons you can fit in all of them. Okay, I am the Crazy Hat Chemist. I got a crazy hat. Give me a thumbs up if you like that video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next time. Hats off to you. Bye now.